Financial advisor Drew Blease says this is the first thing you can do to save money at the bank.
And this is kind of an easy one, but a lot of people don't think about it, is make sure you have a free checking account with no minimum balance.
Blease says that could save you several bucks a month.
Another way to save money with your bank is to make sure that you have overdraft protection that's either linked to your savings account or linked to your credit card, and that way you don't have to worry about any bounce check fees that can be as high as $40, $45 a pop.
And he doesn't recommend signing up for the bank's overdraft protection.
You might have a $10 fee immediately when you use it for every bounce check, and even though it's cheaper than a bounce check fee, it's still a fee. It can be pretty hefty, it can add up, and they start charging you interest from day one.
And in this low-interest environment, Blease says, think long-term.
Talk to the bank representative or talk to your financial advisor about what alternatives are out there as far as investments go to possibly earn more than a CD or a savings account will pay at this time if you have a longer time horizon.
We look at 9 ways to save on banking and credit cards. And right now we're going to be tackling those credit cards. You know, we all use them all the time. It's very tempting, but sometimes they get us into serious financial trouble.
You're itching to buy a flat-screen TV. It's on sale and you're trying to save money. Should you use your credit card? Financial advisor Drew Blease says nope.
Only use credit cards for absolute emergencies. And buying a flat-screen TV because it's on sale is not an emergency. Even though it might seem like one, it's not.
That's tip number 1. Tip number 2 applies if you've used your credit card to buy that big screen TV anyway.
Always pay off your balances on your credit cards, and that way you avoid any interest charges.
Since you're trying to save money, Blease does not recommend using them to establish credit.
You can establish credit by paying all your other bills on time. If you pay rent, if you have a mortgage, if you have a car payment, you can establish good credit being consistent on those payments.
If you can't afford to buy that big screen TV and pay off your credit cards every month, Blease offers tip number 3.
Make sure you have a good rewards card, and that way you can use it for hotels, for airfare, for really anything you almost want. And that way they're paying you to use their credit card.